subscribe and click the bell icon to be the first to see the latest videos on my channel. There is nothing worse than breaking a brand new lipstick. If your lipstick has been broken but it is still in good shape, you can fix it. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be telling you how do you fix your broken lipstick. Lipstick is a cosmetic product containing pigments, oils, waxes that apply color, texture for the protection of lips. Do you know you can put a broken lipstick back together in its original shape? So on a clean surface, expose the broken end that is still set in the base. Now pick the broken end with hand. Melt the broken ends of the lipstick. Press the broken piece gently to the base of the lipstick and seal the edges. Put it in fridge for about 30 minutes. So this is all for today. See you in the next one. Do give a thumbs up if you like my video. Stay connected. Bye.